Hey guys, this is my new lift by Remco. So it uses a 2-inch chuck that I had to buy separately because when I was looking at them, I didn't realize that it came with it. Remco also supplies those. You just have to pay attention when you're ordering it. So you've got memory buttons. One is all the way down. I set 2 to be about halfway up. And then I set 3. Just push the button right here, 3. And then it goes all the way up. So it goes up to 58.7. So we're going to hit 1. We're going to go all the way down because we're going to take this bike and assemble it. And it doesn't have a front wheel on it. So this should be a lot easier than trying to hike it up on my manual lift and assemble the front wheel and everything by myself. So anyway, it is very simple to put together. You put those 4 screws in, Allen head screws, these 4 down here, mount your wiring so it stays out of the way. Each corner has a set screw that you can put in so that even though my garage floor is not level at all, it doesn't move. So very nice design, very quiet, very quick. I'm loving it so far. So I'm gonna show you guys when I assemble this next bike, see how it goes. Okay guys, I want to give you a quick demonstration how this works. I need to lift the seat up a little bit because this does have a suspension seat post. We're going to back this in, slide it over. And we're going to go ahead and clamp this down. So we're going to hit the number 2 button. It's going to lift it up. So this is my roller setting. This is what I use when I'm on my stool to roll around, adjust the derailleur, and put the front wheel on, stuff like that. If you need to get up even higher, this is the max height. So this is all the way up. I can get in here while I'm standing, work on things. This is also an 80-pound bike, makes it way easier. This is the Long Range Electric X Peak 2.0, their brand new bike. Has been an absolute joy to ride. Haven't got to do a range test because it's snowing and about 15 degrees in here, or outside. So as soon as I can, I'm going to make a ride video of this and show you guys. So again, back down to 2. This does go up to roughly 60 inches. I do have one more setting on here that I could actually raise this 2-inch chuck up, but it makes it easier to clamp it on here. And then you can do micro adjustments just with the button to set it at whatever you want. So that's extremely useful. I'm gonna go down to 1, which is the bottom. Again, the battery is in this bike. It is a long range battery. This is, again, around 80-85 pounds. So this lift is good to 100 on their website. So go check them out. Thanks, guys.